Hi viewers. Today we are going to discuss about interpolation and its types. First, we discuss about interpolation. Interpolation is a technique of estimating the value of a function for any intermediate value of the independent variable, while the process of computing the value of the function outside the given range is called extrapolation. Here it's the types of interpolation. First one is Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula. This formula is particularly useful for interpolating the values of fx near the beginning of the set of values given. H is called the interval of difference and u is equals to x minus a upon h. Here a is the first term. Second one is Newton's Gregory backward interpolation formula. This formula is useful when the value of fx is required near the end of the table. H is called the interval of difference and u is equals to x minus an upon h. Here an is the last term. Third one is Lagrange interpolation formula. Lagrange interpolation formula finds a polynomial called Lagrange polynomial that takes on certain values at an arbitrary point. It is an nth degree polynomial expression to the function fx. The interpolation method is used to find the new data points within the range of discrete set of known data points. Here Lagrange equation is here. Next one is fourth one, Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. It is an interpolation technique used when the interval difference is not same for all sequence of values. Suppose fx0, fx1, fx2 till fxn be the n plus 1 values of the function. Y is equals to fx corresponding to the arguments x is equals to x0, x1, x2 till xn, where interval differences are not same. Then the first divided difference is given by fx0, x1 bracket close is equals to fx1 minus fx0 divided by x1 minus x0. In this way you can also find the second divided difference, third divided difference and nth divided difference. Next we'll discuss about three rules which we can derive from some interpolation technique. First one is Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. Simpson's 1 by 3 rule is an extension of the trapezoidal rule in which the integrated is approximated by a second order polynomial. Simpson's rule can be derived from the various way using Newton's divided difference polynomial, Lagrange polynomial and the method of coefficients. Simpson's 1 by 3 rule is defined by, here is the equation of Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. It is derived by trapezoidal rule. It is its degree is second order. Integration a to b fx dx is equals to h by 3 y0 plus yn first term plus last term plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 till yn minus 1 plus 2 into even terms y2 plus y4 plus y6 till yn minus 2. This rule is known as Simpson's 1/3 rule. Next one is Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Another method of numerical integration is called Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. It is completely based on the cubic interpolation rather than the quadratic interpolation. It is cubic interpolation. You should recognize this value. Simpson's 3 by 8 or 3/8 rule is given by integration a to b fx dx is equals to 3h by 8 first term plus last term plus 3 into remaining terms plus 2 into 3 की multiple वाली terms. Okay. This rule is more accurate than the standard method as it uses one more functional value. For 3 by 8 rule, the composite Simpson's 3 by 8 rule also exists, which is similar to the generalized form. The 3 by 8 rule is known as Simpson's second rule of integration. Last formula is trapezoidal rule. We apply the trapezoidal rule formula to solve a definite integral by calculating the area under a curve by dividing the total area into little trapezoids rather than rectangles. This rule is used for approximating the definite integrals when it uses the linear approximations of the functions. The trapezoidal rule takes the average of the left and the right sum. Let y is equals to fx be continuous on a b. We divide the interval a comma b into n equal subintervals, each of width h is equals to b minus a upon n, such that a is equals to x0 less than x1 less than x2 less than xn is equals to b. Area is equals to, here is the equation or you can say formula of trapezoidal rule, h by 2 into y0 plus 2 into remaining terms plus last term. Okay, this is the end of this session of interpolation and its types.